Hello friends, Happy New Year! Today we will be making beautiful miniature calendars for the new year. You will find the free sheet in the video description. I love these images so much. They are so beautiful. Let's get started.
I've prepared two sheets for you. This one is for the 1/6 scale. Here are all the months for the 1/6 and these are the months for the 1/12 scale. So today we'll be making both calendars. First, print the sheet on regular printer paper, then start by cutting out all the pieces. Here are the designs for each month: a winter landscape for January, a cozy forest cabin by a lake for February, blossoming cherry trees for March, a serene mountain path for April, a beautiful waterfall for May, a boat on a lake for June, a white house for July, a peaceful lake view for August, vineyards full of grapes for September, an autumn forest for October, a cute deer by a river for November, and a cozy cabin in the forest for December. Stack all the pieces together. I'll use my mini craft packs to hold everything in place. Clip both top corners, apply glue along the top edge and spread it evenly with your finger. Add another pack and let it dry. Now I'll do the same thing with the 1/12 scale calendar. Cut all the pieces, secure them with packs, apply glue and leave it to dry. After a few minutes I come back and remove the packs because if it dries like this, the calendar won't be perfectly flat. It may get a little wavy at the top. So instead, I place a heavy object on top. For best results, leave it like this overnight. And here we are the next day, completely dry. I can flip through the pages without worrying about accidentally tearing one off. For an extra finishing touch, I'll glue the calendars onto pearl cardstock paper. Trace the shape, then cut it out, leaving a few millimeters at the top and the bottom. Glue the back of the calendar and attach it to the cardstock. I do the same for the 1/12 scale. Now let's remove the old calendar. I wasn't very smart with this one. I glued it directly to the dollhouse wall. It definitely would have been easier if I had used double-sided tape. So I'll just pretend the wall damage doesn't exist and cover it with the new calendar. Let me show you how easy it is to tear off a page, and honestly, a winter without snow here in Plovdiv, Bulgaria is no fun at all, so I'll also pretend it's March and spring is coming. I'll apply glue to the back, because yes, I still don't have double-sided tape, and attach the calendar to the wall. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye!